Pure family, we're so excited that we get to invite you to our first ever Pure Workshop weekend. We're so excited to pursue after the lover of our soul with a community of passionate ones.
神告诉我们，在清心特会极大的遇见到神，但如同我们只有走到山的一点点下面而已，我们还有好多路要继续的往上登耶和华的圣山。在这个今年的2月16号到18号，我们有一个清心的工作坊，你千万不能错过。你来，保证神的同在要遇见你，神要改变转化你的生命。
And what better love to pursue in this month dedicated to love than the lover of our soul, to return to our first love and to fall in love with Jesus all over again.
我们的年轻人们，你们应该都在找你的另外一半，或你已经在交往了。我们在这一次工作坊要更深入的来了解神创造我们的情感。
We want to encourage you to set apart this weekend, February 16th and 17th. This time we're going to set our hearts to pursuing after our first love with a whole heart. So set this time aside, whether you can join us in person or online, we invite you to join us.
让我们一起登耶和华的山，等你来哦。